Assalamu alaikum, my amazing sisters. May peace be upon you all. Today, I want to remind you of the incredible strength that lies within each and every one of you. It's the strength of your inner spirit, the power of your mind, and the depth of your soul. And it's just waiting to be unleashed. As Muslim women, we often face unique challenges in life. But don't forget, you are strong, Alhamdulillah. You have the strength to overcome any obstacle, to rise above any adversity. Embrace your inner strength and know that you can accomplish anything you set your mind to. Insha'Allah. But here's the thing, too often we underestimate ourselves and our abilities. We believe that we are not strong enough, not smart enough, or not capable enough to achieve our dreams. But the truth is, we are stronger than we realize. Subhanallah, Allah Azza wa Jal created us naturally perfectly strong. And our inner strength comes from our faith, our beliefs, our values, and the consequence confidence that is given us. Alhamdulillah. It comes from our ability to face challenges head on, to persevere in the face of adversity, and to live with our dreams. When we embrace our inner strength, we become unstoppable. We can overcome any obstacle, no matter how difficult. We can achieve our goals and fulfill our dreams, no matter how big they may seem. And we can inspire others to do the same. So, my dear sisters, it's time to embrace your inner strength. It's time to believe in yourself and in your abilities. Know that you have everything you need to succeed and that you are capable of achieving greatness, insha'Allah. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Instead, let your inner strength guide you towards the life you truly deserve. A life filled with joy, happiness, and success. A life where you can make a positive impact on those around you and in the world. But how do we tap into our inner strength? Well, it all starts with our mindset. We need to believe that we are capable of achieving anything we set our minds to. We need to have a clear vision of what we want to achieve and take action towards it. We also need to surround ourselves with positive and supportive people who believe in us and our dreams. These people will encourage us when we feel like giving up and remind us of our inner strength when we need it the most. And finally, we need to take care of ourselves, both physically and mentally. We need to eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough rest. We also need to practice self-care and self-love, which means being kind to ourselves and treating ourselves with respect and compassion. So, my dear sisters, remember this, you are stronger than you think. Embrace your inner strength and let it shine brightly for all to see. Alhamdulillah, we are blessed with so much. Believe in yourself, take action towards your dreams, surround yourself with positive people, and take care of yourself both physically and mentally. With your inner strength, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. You can create a life that is fulfilling, purposeful, and meaningful. You can make a difference in the world and in the lives of those around you, inshallah. So let's embrace our inner strength together and let's make the world a better place one step at a time. You are amazing, Alhamdulillah.